Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable set time zone based on location on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. And in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Date and Time. Next, tap on Set Time Zone based on location. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, turn it on. Instead, use your phone's location to determine the time zone. This may help if your mobile network sometimes provides the wrong time zone. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.